Being at JRTC with the 11th Mountain really is the first stepping stone in building interoperability with the United Arab Emirates. The 11th Mountain being the first partner to rotate through JRTC. It's building a stronger force within that region in our center. My biggest motivator as an advisor is learning from foreign armies and getting to teach them things that they might not have really thought about. That's been a great experience overall.
Sounds easy when you lay it all out. When you have as short a timeline as we gave you, you get ready to come to JRTC, the pinnacle of training for the U.S. Army. It is no small feat. You made it look easy. You get out there with your partners, you instill confidence in them, and then all the way through the training strategy that you had laid out.
JRTC is so important to me to learn, and American forces, they have a lot of experience in infantry. We learn how to fight in this terrain exactly. In UAE, we have desert and mountain. So it is really a challenge for us. The toughest thing in this training is we don't stay in one place, but we adapt and we learn from each other, and it is important for our partnership. We fight against the enemy, so that is okay.
That's it. Right.
Cujo 5-1, this is Stalker. Stand by for information. Cujo, stand by. TOT 20, close in fire support. Non-standard -1 to -12, then +4 to +2. Gun target line 050.